Headquartered in Zimbabwe, our company is dedicated to harnessing the vast possibilities of UAVs to create impactful solutions for industries and communities alike. Our mission: to provide innovative precision aerial solutions that help businesses and organizations unlock new opportunities, optimize operations, and drive growth. What do we specialize in? Drone sales and equipment. Offering a wide variety of drones tailored to meet your needs. Agriculture, crop spraying and health monitoring. Get every detail about your crops, land and investment through high-tech imaging and processing from views only modern aerial mapping can deliver. Photogrammetry and mapping. Magnetic survey and mineral exploration. Get high-quality, full-color ortho imagery with detail accurate up to 1 centimeter to 5 centimeters, giving a level of detail. Drone repairs and maintenance. Our expert technicians perform comprehensive inspections, ensuring your drone operates safely. Drone pilot and maintenance training. Our comprehensive training programs are designed for all skill levels, from beginners to advanced pilots. Our experienced instructors provide hands-on training, covering everything from basic flight maneuvers to complex aerial photography techniques. Our remote maintenance training course delivers specialized maintenance expertise as a vital service, ensuring operational safety and fleet longevity.